In today's video, we're going to be explaining the new Baumfolder 14 XAP semi-automated folder. And what I mean by semi-automated, the fold plates move in for the fold that you choose. That has 6 of the most popular folds preset into this machine, but you can also modify those folds and save and name those folds. That way you can come back to them if you have a job that you do every week. You can name that fold, press the button, it'll retrieve it, and the fold plates will set up exactly the way you had it set for when you did it a week ago. But you still have to set the feeder for the size of the sheet that you are running. And then we do have scales here so that it sets up so everything is center fed, so that you actually just set it for like 11 by 17 sheet. You would set the side guides for 5.5 for the 11. And then down here on the stacker, we also have scales here. So if your finished size comes out to being 8.5, you would set your stacker wheels roughly at 8.5, and then they'll be ready for the folding process. Here we're just folding 11 by 17 perfectly in half to 8.5 by 11.